Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. London Reuters OPEC on Saturday cut its 2022 forecast for growth in world oil demand for a third time since April, citing the economic impact of Russia's invasion of Ukraine, high inflation, and effort to contain the coronavirus pandemic. The view from the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries contracts with that of the International Energy Agency, the advisor to industrialized countries, which early on Thursday raised its 2022 demand growth outlook. OPEC in a monthly report said it expects 2022 oil demand to rise by 31 million barrels per day, or 3.2% down 2,060 bpd from the previous forecast. The year raised its forecast by 3,080 bpd to 1 million bpd. Oil has rebounded from the worst of the pandemic and is set to exceed 2019 level this year, even after pace hit record high. However, high prices and Chinese coronavirus outbreak have eaten into OPEC 2022 growth projection. Global oil market fundamentals continued their strong coronavirus recovery to pre-COVID-19 level for most of the first half of 2022, albeit sake of slowing growth in the world economy and oil demand have emerged, OPEC said in its report. OPEC cut its 2022 global economic growth forecast to 3.1% from 3.5% and trimmed next year's to 3.1%, saying that the prospect of further weakness remained. This is, however, still solid growth when compared with pre-pandemic growth level. OPEC said therefore it is obvious that significant downside risk prevails. Oil prices head on to an earlier on demand and trending above $98 a barrel. OPEC more OPEC and allies, including Russia, now college sea level as OPEC Plus are ramping up oil output after record cut, but it plays as the pandemic took hold in 2020. In recent months, OPEC Plus has failed to fully achieve its planned production increases owing to underinvestment in oil field by some OPEC members and by losses in Russian output. The report showed OPEC output in July rose by 1,062 pdp to 28.84 million bpd, a smaller increase than expected. OPEC's take on the outlook for 2023 suggests that the market could remain. OPEC lifts its 2023 world demand growth projection unhooked at 27 million bpd and expects supply from non-member countries to rise by 171 million, means OPEC will need to pump around 90,000 BPD more to bench the market. Will the 2023 outlook for overall non-OPEC supply was lift steady? OPEC sees a slight acceleration in U.S. shale growth. Supply of U.S. tight oil, another term for shale, is expected to rise by TPDP in 2023 of from 7,040 BPD in 2022, although this year's forecast was reset. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye. See you.